Hello students, welcome back to IFRS classes. We are working sums on Indian Accounting Standard number 36, that is impairment loss. Let us solve one more problem in this video. A plant is being shown in the balance sheet at the carrying amount of rupees 42 lakhs. Carrying amount of an asset is given 42 lakhs. Carrying amount of an asset as per balance sheet 42 lakhs. Its remaining life is 6 years. Its remaining life is 6 years. It would be scrapped away for rupees 6 lakhs, that is scrap value. Scrap value after 6 years is 6 lakhs. The net cash inflows from the use of the plant during the next 6 years. Cash inflows is given means to calculate value in use. Cash inflows in the future period, because they are telling next 6 years. Next 6 years in the sense for the coming future 6 years the cash flows are 10 lakhs for the first 3 years and 8 lakhs for the next 3 years. So first 3 years they will be getting 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and after that they will be getting 8 lakhs each for the next 3 years. The discount rate applicable to the company is 15%. Discount rate is given to discount the future cash flows by using present value factors. The net selling price of the asset is 40 lakhs. Net selling price is given to calculate its fair value. Net selling price is given to find out the fair value by subtracting cost of disposal. If there is no cost of disposal, selling price itself will be the fair value. Cost of disposal ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸೇ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಫೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್. With this information, they are asking us to calculate certain things. Question number 1 is value in use. Value in use, it's very simple to calculate. The 6 years cash flows are given. Multiply that with the respective discount factors, then total it, you will get the value in use. That is the first question. Second question is the impairment loss, if any. To calculate the impairment loss, we have to subtract recoverable value from the carrying amount. So carrying amount minus recoverable value will be your impairment loss. So recoverable amount calculate madodike fair value and value in use both are given. Fair value is given and value in use is also available. So adannu calculate madabodu. Number 2. Number 3, the recoverable amount of the plant. Yes, the recoverable amount of the plant. Without recoverable amount it is impossible to calculate impairment loss. So adannu kuda ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The last question, impairment loss if the net selling price is 35 lakhs. Andre we have to calculate impairment loss in this question under two situations. ಒಂದು selling price 40 lakhs ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು selling price 35 lakhs ಇದ್ದಾಗ. So two impairment losses will be calculated for this sum. Now let us go one by one. First thing, let us calculate the value in use of the plant. Value in use calculate madodike what are the things that are needed for us? The future net cash inflows and discounting factors. Discounting percentage is 15%. Discounting factors will be given in the question. So let us proceed to calculate value in use. So number 1, calculate value in use. To calculate this, let us prepare a simple table like this. First column, number of years. 6 years anta ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you take from 1 to 6. And the cash flows, it has given in the question that for the first 3 years they will get 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs and 10 lakhs. After that they will get 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs for the next 3 years. So they are the cash flows. Then discounting factors at 15%. This present value discounting factors will be given for us in the question itself. So 0.8696, 0.7561, 0.6575, 0.5718, 0.4972, 0.4323. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಯು ವಿತ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. The last column you can calculate by multiplying the cash flow and discounting factor. So 10 lakhs multiplied with 0.8696, you will get 8,69,600. Then again 10 lakhs multiplied with 0.7561, you will get 7,56,100. And next 10 lakhs into 0.6575, you will get 6,57,500. Then 8 lakhs multiplied with 0.5718, you will get 4,57,440. And the next 8 lakhs into 0.4972, that is 3,97,760. And last one, 14 lakhs is last installment of 8 lakhs, plus 6 lakhs scrap value, salvage or scrap value. So ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪು ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟು ಎರಡೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್. ಸೊ 14 lakhs into 0.4323, you will get 6,05,220. When you add all these cash flows, you will get value in use. This amount is the value in use. So first questionಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದು 37,43,620. Once again observe carefully. If you have any doubts relating to calculation of value in use, value in use is calculated by discounting the future net cash flows from the project or the asset. In the question they have given that the future cash flows are for the first 3 years 10 lakhs per year they are going to get, and for the next 3 years they are going to get 8 lakhs. Therefore you have to prepare a simple table where number of years, cash flows, and while entering cash flows you should not forget to add the scrap value of the asset to the last year. Last year cash flows ge scrap value should be added. Therefore 8 plus 6, that will be 14. Now when you have the cash flows and the discounting factors at 15%, discounting factors at 15% should also be given in the question. You need not worry about that. Then multiply the cash flows with the discounting factors and add all of them. That will be your value in use. So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು ನಾವು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂತು 37,43,620. Let us proceed to the next one. Computation of recoverable amount. Recoverable amount is the higher of value in use and fair value. Value in use and fair value, ಇವೆರಡರ highest amount recoverable value. So in this case, net selling price given 40 lakhs, value in use just now calculated 37,43,620. Therefore, which is the higher of this amount? 40 lakhs. Therefore, recoverable amount should be 40 lakhs. Calculation of recoverable amount is pretty simple. That is, the higher of fair value and value in use. Recoverable amount is the highest of value in use and fair value. In this case, fair value means 40 lakhs. That is the selling price. Normally, fair value andre selling price minus cost of disposal. But cost of disposal is not given in this question. Therefore, selling price itself will be the fair value. So, fair value is 40 lakhs and value in use just now we have calculated by using this table, that is 37,43,620. Therefore, out of these two amounts, whichever is higher, that is 40 lakhs has become its recoverable amount. Proceeding further to calculation of impairment loss. For calculation of impairment loss, you have to subtract the recoverable amount from the carrying amount. Carrying amount is mentioned in the question. If you see the question, carrying amount is given in the question, that is 42 lakhs. So from that 42 lakhs, you have to subtract the recoverable amount. Recoverable amount just now we calculated the higher of these two, that is 40 lakhs. So 42 minus 40, the impairment loss in this case is 2 lakhs. Carrying amount minus recoverable amount, that is impairment loss 2 lakhs. Now, if you look at the last question, they have asked us to calculate the impairment loss when net selling price is 35 lakhs. Earlier we have calculated impairment loss when the net selling price is 40 lakhs. But if net selling price becomes 35 lakhs, what would be the impairment loss? For that you have to calculate the recoverable amount again. To calculate recoverable amount, you should be taken the net selling price 35 lakhs and the value in use 37 lakh 43,620. Out of these two, the highest amount is 37 lakh 43,620. Therefore, recoverable amount is 37 lakh 43,620 and carrying amount will be same, that is 42 lakhs. So the difference between carrying amount and recoverable amount 4,56,380 should be the impairment loss. And don't confuse with the two impairment losses here. One impairment loss we have calculated when the selling price is 40 lakhs. The next impairment loss is calculated by assuming if the net selling price is 35 lakhs. If the net selling price is 35 lakhs, your recoverable amount will become 37 lakh 43,620. Therefore, the impairment loss differs. ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಇಂಪೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು 40 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, when net selling price is 40 lakhs, when you compare, recoverable amount will become 40 lakhs. But when net selling price is 35 lakhs, recoverable amount will change. Therefore, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಪೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸು ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 40 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು 35 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಪೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದು 4,56,380 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಇಂಪೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಇಂಪೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆ ಇಂಪೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸು ವೆನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ 40 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, 2 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಕವರಬಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. That is, we are calculating impairment loss when net selling price is 35 lakhs. In this case, it comes to 4 lakh change. Clear?